Hello programmers, welcome to Code with HP. This video is about data migration. If you are doing development on local database and now your client wants all databases on their database, what will you do? You will create the table again and again you will insert the records. This sounds easy, but now think if you have 50 tables and each table has 5000 records in it. Sounds amazing, right? Will you do it manually? No. Here we will generate scripts, and this is how. For this I have created two databases, client database and local database. In local database we have one table which is employee, and employee has 3 records. For demo purpose we have kept only one table and 3 records. Now we will try to generate script. Right click on database, task, then generate scripts. You can also select specific database object. If you have users and roles, then you can select it from here. Right now we only have tables, so select tables. If you expand, you can see employee table, then next, then go in advanced, and in advanced you can select schema only, data only, schema and data. When you want to just generate scripts for data, you can select data only. When you just want structure of your tables, then you can select schema, and when you want both schema and data, you should select schema and data. Okay, now we can give a file name and we can give location from here. Right now I am keeping it as documents only. Name will be employee script. Script has been generated. Script has been generated. This is how script looks. Here we have used local database. Now we will copy this script. Now we will select client database, and here we will select client database, and now we will run this script. Now as we can see in client database, in tables we can see employee table. So we have successfully copied one table from local database to client database. If we have multiple tables, we have to just simply generate the script, copy that script and run that script in another database. This was the last video of this playlist. I hope you guys enjoyed this beginners playlist, and I will soon come up with intermediate playlist. Thanks for watching.